Hello everybody, Papa Blue Shirt here. What we're going to do today, I'm going to make a workbench. My goal is to make a workbench out of 2x4s, and I want it to be 4x8 on top, so I can put a sheet of plywood on top. So we're going to make a 2x4 workbench. Now this 2x4 workbench you can use for, for a train table or for a craft table or anything like that. My ideal is to make it as cheaply as possible because I'm cheap. And but I want it to be strong, so because I want to be able to work on it. So let's see how it goes. Stay tuned for this episode. Here's what I did with the bottom. I just took a piece of 1x treated, cut it to fit, and screwed it on the bottom. That way it won't absorb the moisture from the floor. I just put this board here to hold these up while I put them in. Just put a board across and put a clamp. That way I could put them in by myself because my wife wouldn't help me. I just got a dirty look. Anyways, there's the framing of the table. I'll probably put a cross member here, but I'll do that in a second. see the way I made it here. Give you an idea. All the design here. And like I said, I put these little feet on the bottom because the ground here gets a little moist, concrete, because it gets real humid out and it gets kind of moist, and I didn't want it to wick up and destroy the wood, so I cut these little feet to go on the bottom. I'm probably going to get some wheels to put on there because make it easier to move around, because it is kind of heavy. Like I said, I had this overlap here. That's going to work really nice for doing clamping. And yeah, I'm real happy. Real happy with the way it turned out. I believe I only used 14 2x4s. So you can figure out what 2x4s cost in your area. 14 2x4s and a sheet of plywood. And that's what it would cost you to build this. I think I built it for less than 60 bucks, I think. So, yeah. Anyways, we're real happy. It only took an afternoon. Not a big involved project, so something you can do in an afternoon. I think I spent more time going and get the lumber than I did actually building it. So, yeah. And something you can build by yourself. You don't really need anyone to help you. I did have my wife help me tip it over. But that was because she was here. If she wasn't here, I would have done it myself. But I have to make her feel like she's helping me from time to time. And I do appreciate the help. Most of the time, I'm out here working alone. Anyways, this is Papa Blue Shirt, and so thankful that you were come along for the ride and we was able to build this nice little workbench. Alrighty. Don't forget to like and subscribe.